Hello everyone. Today, I'm excited to share how to revive the struggling fern. I hope what I do will help this little plant experience better days ahead. Follow along as I prepare a new home for it. First off, let's talk about the base. I'm using a layer of gravel about 3 centimeters deep. This will help with drainage, preventing any excess water from sitting at the bottom of the terrarium. Next, I'm adding pine bark on top of the gravel. This layer will keep the soil and charcoal from sinking down into the gravel while allowing for proper drainage. Now, I'm sprinkling activated charcoal over the pine bark. This will help keep the environment fresh and reduce any odors. Now it's time for the substrate. I'm using a mix of materials. Small stones or gravel, these white beads, possibly perlite or vermiculite, improve drainage and retain moisture. Organic matter, the dark brown color indicates compost or mulch, providing essential nutrients for the fern. Soil, the brown particles are garden soil, offering a solid foundation for the roots. Clay or baked soil materials, these enhance aeration and moisture retention for the roots. I'm giving the substrate a light mist of water to keep it moist but not soggy. Now, let's plant our fern into its new home. I'll take my clean scissors and trim away any dead or yellowing leaves to help the plant focus on new growth. I'll give it another gentle mist of water to keep the humidity up. Lastly, I'm adding a layer of pine bark around the base and stem of the fern to retain moisture. Then, I'll give the bark a final spray of water. Thanks for joining me today. I can't wait to see how this fern bounces back. Make sure to like and subscribe for more terrarium tips. See you next time.